Oopsie guys.
Welcome to my vlog.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog of Andi Jade's vlog. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a cucumber face mask. So now let's just start that. First the cucumber. Let's put it in. So now guys that we're done, let's blend it. So I'm going to use cucumber, oatmeal, and some honey. So I'm going to pour it in, guys. That's enough, guys. Now I'm going to mix the oatmeal and the cucumber. Now next is the honey. Now let's mix it, guys. Wow, it's so green, guys. So guys, this is alright for kids because the ingredients is safe for kids. So now I'm going to put it on my face now. Where's my brush? Where did it go? So now guys, let's put it on our face. Wow. Oopsie guys. I think my sister needs to help me, guys. So now guys, I'm done. Let's wait for 15 minutes. Good. And then after 15 minutes, let's wash it off. Let's wait for 15 minutes. See guys. So guys, I'm already done washing my face for now. That's for today's vlog. So bye guys. Like my channel, subscribe, hit the bell button. See you next week.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.